Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to install apps from the Microsoft Store without using Microsoft Store on your Windows 11 PC. And this also works for Windows 10. It doesn't matter. The steps will pretty much work. So let's get started. Now, the first thing what I'm going to do is open up the Microsoft Store, and we're going to just find some app that we're just going to find an app that I will install. And this is, I'm going to just choose something random. So let's scroll down and see what there is that I don't actually have on my PC. So let's use Canva as an example. I don't have Canva on my PC, and as you can see, once I hover over it, it says install, and I can install Canva. So we'll use Canva as an example. Now let's close out of the Microsoft Store. Now, what we want to do is to go ahead and type CMD. So click the Windows key and type CMD on your PC. And we want to right click and run this as administrator. Now, once the CMD is open as administrator, we want to go ahead and we want to type in Winget space search space, and we want to type Canva. So again, Winget space search space Canva. Hit enter on your keyboard and it's going to go ahead, and as you can see, it's loading up the things there. And you can see that it shows Canva. And what we want to do now, guys, is basically look for the ID. So here you have Canva, here you have Canva. You have a bunch of different options and you have the versions and so forth, right? So what you want to do is basically find, for example, the application that you want. As you can see, there are multiple ones, right? So you want to find the one with the ID. I would recommend that you choose one that looks, normal. For example, here you can see here, these are just widgets and these are from the Microsoft Store. So don't download the one that basically says widget, because you don't want widget. You want to look for the one that basically says MS Store. So in this case, this will be the first option here, right? As you can see, the third one here, this is a widget, and we don't want that. Now, in order to install this on your PC, you want to go ahead and copy the ID. So you want to highlight the ID, and once you highlight the ID, press Ctrl plus C, and that's going to go ahead and copy the ID for you. And once you have the ID copied, all you have to do is just ensure that you have it copied. Now you want to go ahead and you want to type in Winget again, space install. So once you copy the ID, if you go ahead and you right click, you will see that it pastes the ID for you. And as you can see, I now have the ID there. So you want to ensure that there's no unnecessary spacing. But once that is done and you ensure that there's no unnecessary spacing, as you can see, if I go back, there's just one space there, and here there's just the one space here. So we know that this is good. Now, once you do that, just go ahead, go to the end and press enter. You will see now that it starts to install the application. Here it says that the publisher requires me to view the above information before installing, and if I agree to the terms, then I go ahead and I press Y to install. So in this case, I'm going to press Y, then hit enter, and as you will see here in a moment, that it's going to go ahead and start to install for me. So as you can see right now, it's currently downloading Canva, and you will see that it's now installed, and as you can see, it's currently installing it on my PC. And see, successfully verified the installation hash, the starting package installation, and so we just see it's finished now, guys. And that's it. So I really hope you found this useful, and if you do, give this video a like, let me know in the comments below. And that's pretty much it, guys. So again, you can install any application from the Microsoft Store without using the Microsoft Store. All you need is just the ID, and you can quickly get that by simply typing Winget space search and space and the name of the application. You'll identify it by seeing the Microsoft Store applications, copy the ID in simple type Winget space install space and the ID of the application, hit enter. And if there's any terms that you need to agree to, just go ahead and agree to them. But once it is done, guys, you will see that the application is installed, and you can even see on my desktop that Canva is there. So if I close out of this, you can see right here on my desktop that Canva is there, and I can double click and I can open up Canva, and you will see that Canva is working absolutely fine. There you have it, guys. I just need to go ahead and accept all those cookies and log in, and that's pretty much all that I have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple. As you can see, it opens up and I can now log into Canva. But that's it. Hope you found this useful. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.